Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, we will discuss how to add a picture in a Power App Canvas app. First of all, let's understand why we use the add picture control in a Canvas app. We use this control when we want users to upload images directly from their devices. For example, users can upload profile photo, ID proofs, receipts, or any other images that we want to store or display inside the app. Now, this is our blank canvas app. Next, I want to add a picture functionality in this app. So let's see step by step how we can do that. First, go to the insert from the top menu. Here, search for add picture. So the add picture control will appear on the screen and you can adjust as per your need on your screen. Now to test how this control works, click on preview to run the app. Once the app is in preview mode, click on the add picture control. It will open your system or mobile device storage where you can choose an image. Now select the image. As you can see, the selected image is now displayed inside the app. This means the picture has been added successfully using the add picture control. And if you want to change the picture, so click on change picture from here and then you can easily change it. So in this video, we learned why we use the add picture control and how to add a picture in a Power App Canvas app.